Hey crypto enthusiast, welcome back to the channel. It's Sanupadhyay here, and today we have got an action-packed video for you. So we are diving into the latest happening in the crypto space, so make sure you stick around till the end. But before jump into it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring that bell for all the latest updates, and let's get started. Okay, so and before moving that, let me give you a quick reminder that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and do your own due diligence, and this is the disclaimer. So let's see what is going on into the crypto market. We are on the crypto market cap. So currently the market cap is 1.38 trillion dollar, and the volume is down 12% in last 24 hours, and the BTC dominance is 51.5%. Ethereum is 16.9%, and so you can see over here the fear and greed index is 71, so which is greedy, which is in greed zone. Let's see what is going on in Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is trading at $36,513, Ethereum at $1,943. BNB is up, is trading at $243. Solana is 58, XRP at $0.609. So let's see. So Mantle MNT is up 10.31% in last 24 hours. It is trending. Celestia TIA is up 8.21%. Gala Games is up 7% in last 24 hours. Let's see what is happening in what happened in the last week. Celestia is up 110% in past 7 days. Yearn Finance is up 90%. YFI is doing good. Thorchain is up 53%. Avalanche is doing crazy. One of my favorite coin. Again, not a financial advice. Just saying. I do hold quick disclaimer. I do hold Avalanche as well. It is up 48%. Caspa. Well, we have to dive deep into Caspa. We'll talk about it. And Render is up 28%. I do like Render also. Excuse me. So let's move on. Let's check out the coin bubble. You can see the daily as TIA near protocol is up, Tau, and the weekly, as we have discussed, as we have seen on CoinMarketCap, TIA, YFI, Avalanche is doing good. Hope you are doing great with your portfolio, guys, and yeah, things are looking good. Now let's come to some of the news updates and some of the latest trends. What is going on, what happened in the past week, and the story around the crypto ecosystem, ecospace. So the first news update is coming up from cryptobriefing.com. Shout out to this platform. So SEC's Bitcoin ETF and broker concerns, according to Crypto Briefing. So basically there are some concern and cash creation issues surrounding the SEC's approval of Bitcoin ETF. You can see that there are a couple of there are some issues with the ETF, the Bitcoin ETF. Okay, the Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) has reportedly advised companies seeking to launch Bitcoin ETF to amend their filing to utilize cash creation rather than in-kind creation, according to the Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric today. All right. So today, to balance supply and demand, ETF can create a redeem shares either in kind by exchanging Bitcoin for ETF shares, or with cash by buying or selling Bitcoin on the open market. So these are some of the updates around the Bitcoin ETF. Let's hop on the second story. It's coming up from Finbold. Shout out to this platform. So basically, a Finbold study suggests that stablecoin might face challenges in upcoming trustworthy payment means, according to the Bank for International Settlement (BIS). So BIS says, stable coins can't be trustworthy payment means. So, but we don't have to forget how trustworthy is the fiat. Again, it's up to you. Just think about it. A food for thought. So BIS anti-stablecoin argument. For these reasons, we conclude that stablecoin in circulation today do not meet the key criteria for being a safe store of value and trustworthy means of payment in the real economy. Yeah, why not? You see, they are against, I guess, the stable coin, but why not everyone is talking about the CBDC? They are also using the blockchain technology, right? So why not talk? Why not comparing them with the existing stable coin, right? In my opinion, again, it does not matter, but I would still trust the existing top stable coins than the CBDCs. Still, you can go through this article from Finbold. All the links are down in the description. So again, shout out to Finbold. You can check them out, and you can check this out. You can go through it and make your own opinion. The third story is also coming up from Finbold. Ripple's chief legal officer slams SEC chief Gensler as a movie villain. Okay. While the dust is still settling after Ripple's several major victories in the court against the United States Security and Exchange Commission, the blockchain company chief legal officer Stewart criticized the regulator and compared its chairman to a movie villain. Okay, well, the SEC and Ripple drama is on, guys. I don't think it will stop soon in near future. I hope so, but it's been a long time. People are getting bored, I guess. Why not just resolve it, man? As it happens, the who is that? Legal officers. Okay, the legal officer pointed out all the ways in which the SEC was doing a poor job comparing Gary Gensler to Colonel Nathan from 1989 stage play and 1992 hit movie A Few Good Men, who become a symbol of institutional indoctrination. I'm not aware about the first movie, but I can remember this movie, A Few Good Men. Alright, well, the saga continues, So, XRP and SEC drama. Hope we'll see some resolution, some full and final resolution as soon as possible. That would be good for everyone, I guess. I'm not promoting XRP, or I don't think whatever SEC is doing is good. They have their own condition metrics and all kind of geopolitical, and you can't figure it out by yourself, so just go with the flow. I don't hold any XRP, but I mean, do your own research. There are other technologies and other chains I like more. Excuse me. Than XRP, and I've read. I mean, XRP is also doing good for the crypto ecosystem overall, but I mean, I never delved deep into the XRP ecosystem. But again, this is good for the overall crypto ecosystem, so can't complain, right? So let's move on. Another one is from the block.co. Shout out to this news site. So BlackRock files for spot Ethereum ETF with SEC. Okay, so BlackRock has officially filed a spot Ethereum ETF with the SEC. BlackRock also filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF in June, pending a regulatory approval, as we all know. So they have filed Ethereum ETF on, I guess, November 16th. So again, everyone is waiting for the ETF approval of Ethereum, especially we are waiting for Bitcoin. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi, but you know, it's the mother of all. So let's hope for the best. And I guess the kind of push that we have as an industry, I'm not sure, but I would say most likely is the good word. Most likely, both the ETF, both the spot ETF will be approved very soon. Next story is again coming up from Finbold. Philippines introduces tokenized treasury bond. As we all know, the power of blockchain, and things most likely will. There'll be a lot of use cases of this technology, the blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and other similar technologies. So basically, it is again a positive news for the entire ecosystem adoption of cryptocurrencies, at least their use cases. So on Monday, November 20th, the Philippines is set to make history by introducing its inaugural sale of tokenized treasury bonds, a significant move aimed in advancing the development of its domestic debt market. All right. So again, you can see other ventures into the digital domain by world banks. So they are developing entire treasury bonds using the tokenization mechanism. All right, that's a good thing, right? Let's move on. Another one is coming up from bitcoinsystemy.com. Finally, some good news for Tether USDT class action lawsuit dismissed by judge. All right. Well, in a significant legal victory, cryptocurrency companies Tether and Bitfinex have successfully fended off a class action lawsuit. Plaintiff Sean claimed that Tether was dishonest about its reserves. However, the U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York rejected the lawsuit. Again, that's a positive news. Again, I mean, all these narrative, these positive news, I mean, you can think whatever you want, but in my opinion, it's again a push towards the bull cycle, the bull market. So everything will make sense, guys, right? So stick around. It's time in the market. Don't try to time the market. I mean, old saying. But again, like I said in my past videos, all my videos, the DCA does works if you are doing it in a very disciplined and in a proper manner, doing all kind of money management and risk management. So it is working for me. That's what I'm saying. Again, do your own research. And you can always hop on DM, or you can like find me on all social media, or comment down below what specific topic you want me to cover. I'll research about it, my team will work on it, and I'll come up with good value packed content video. Again, let's move on. Another one, I guess, again, a positive thing from PayPal. So PayPal takes a stance and says blockchains are the new financial rails. Like I said, everything will make sense. Everything will talk. Everyone will say, okay, blockchain this, tokenized economy, or everything is around like Web3. Like, you'll see. I'm not saying it's necessary, but look at the timing. Again, you can go through this article. It's not that crazy. Okay, so let's move on. The Chinese company announces it will invest 100 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see the positivity around the market. So Chinese company Boya Interactive announced that it plans to invest in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, provided that they do not exceed $100 million. Okay. I'm sorry, excuse me. This is 3 a.m. here in my time zone, so hope you guys will understand and support. Still trying to make this video because why not? So although China maintains prohibitive stance towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, crypto adoption continues to increase, and especially around this time, because everyone is looking to push the price upward. Not joking, but yeah, you can go through it. So basically, like I said, everyone is bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, and they should be, right? Now let's check out some of the technicals, some of the technical charts, some basic technical analysis, not something like crazy. Alright, so we are looking at Bitcoin dominance, no market cap. We are at $712 billion, and we are down. We have the support at $625 billion. Look at the volume. Look at this pump. I guess the next target should be, let's check out the 4-hour. I mean, if it has to go down, I look at the basic RSI and basic support and resistance and price action also. So we can touch $680 billion, or if we push upward, we can go to $740 billion from where we have just dropped in past, I guess, 24 hours, 48 hours. Let's hope for the best. The total is, let's check out the total. The total is also down, but we can soon see again this area of resistance at $1.42 trillion. Let's see what is going on the equity market. S&P 500. Excuse me. So again, S&P 500 is bullish today also. No, yesterday. So it is hitting up this support line, resistance line, and yeah, like it will touch the all-time high, previous all-time high at this point, 4,607. No, that's not the all-time high. I'm so sorry. The all-time high had this 4,818. So we'll soon see this area 4,600. Now we are at this area 4,514. I mean, a lot of people are around whether we are in recession or not. Some people are against, some people are for. There are a lot of claims, analysts, data. but no one knows, right? So the best thing to do is to learn about the markets. That's what I do. Again, I'm not giving you any financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. I just try to learn about the market, read all kind of sentiment data, market valuation, like everything around it, and make my own judgment and opinion, right? And I don't think about the trading part, because for me, I'm not a trader, but here and there I do all these small leverage things. But for me, it's more about taking up good position, building up position for long term. And also I usually get out of the market when I'm when my cash bucket is depleting, right? So again, there has to be a balance, right? And like I said, DCA works best. You have to build different kind of portfolio. You have to design as per your needs, requirement, timelines, the market, the asset that you want to hold or trade. So I mean, I have seen there are a lot of videos around trading, investing, all, like there is an entire industry around coaching, teaching, and everything around it. But in my last, like, I've been into crypto since 2015 end, which is 2016. So in my experience, I would say it's a very personal thing. Like, you can't teach the same things to everyone. If you're talking about finances or investing or trading, it's a very different thing, different opinion. And for everyone there's a different time zone, time horizon, and the vision that individual person has. So I guess you just look at the numbers, do your own research, and I would not suggest anyone to listen to anyone else when it comes to finances or trading, investing, or anything related to finance. Because like, you see, no one can be perfect in this category, or I would say in any category generally in life. So make your own opinion. But yes, you can you can consult your advisor. You can go through news, like the kind of value I'm providing. There are other channels also, and you can discuss with your friend, you can discuss with me, right? But you don't have to trust anyone, right? You have to make your own decision, make your own opinion. What I do is I listen, I consume everything, almost everything. Twitter, I'm on Twitter 24/7, right? I consume everything, but that doesn't mean that I'll take decision. I'll do something based on what I see or hear on the internet or on the television or wherever. You have to make your own perception, your own understanding, and obviously it will take some time, but it should take some time, right? So let's check out. Now we are at S&P 500. I guess this is the main thing. You can see other indicators. For example, I usually see gold market. Where is gold? Let's see. Amazon, Tesla. Or before that, let's check out what is going on in BTC. Again, the weekly resistance that we have is at 3100, I guess. I mean, I'm not suggesting, but in my opinion, it will come down, right? Before the full-fledged bull rally, before that halving cycle narrative, I guess it should come down one last time. There should be one last blow towards the downside, and then go up to like $150,000 or $160,000 again. This is my opinion. So in 4 hour we have this support. We are having this support at $34,800. So at this support, I mean, I guess it should touch this level and maybe hop upside. Moving averages, it is also respecting this moving average. This one especially, I guess it is 200 or what? 100, right? So I mean, I don't look at the charts too often, but again, when I have to do specific like there is some specific trading or specific, like when I just go into the market for some quick trades, then obviously I have to look at some basic charting things. You don't have to draw crazy lines, just understand the price action and just move on, right? I mean, you can put a lot of indicators here. You see indicators, you can see there are a lot of indicators. My script, technicals, you see these are all the indicators, which are good. I've been a student of mathematics, but I understand those indicators, but I don't use them. I mean, basic indicators, MACD, you can use support, resistance, RSI, and especially moving averages. I like moving averages too. And yeah, Fibonacci extension ratio, golden pockets. I mean, these are the basic things. You don't have to, and a basic trend line, obviously. Like, where is the trend? You see, we are having an uptrend. So that's it. All right. So this is my Instagram. I mean, if you want me to cover all of these, if you want me to cover all my checklist and what do we say? Not checklist. These are like these are the things that I track. If you want me to make individual videos, I can make on any particular asset or any coin or any token or any equity that I hold or that I look into. So I can do that. So you have to be specific in the comment section. That's why I said talk to me, guys. So this is my Instagram at IMSNUP. You can hit me up on Instagram anytime you want. You can give me a follow as well. I'll try to follow you back. And this is my home, my Twitter, the same handle IMSNUP. You can again hit me up here, follow me, and these are the content. You'll see some informative content as well, some live streaming, some chats. I do also have a Discord and Telegram group, but I am active over there, but since I'm just starting out, I have a very less amount of followers and viewers. So in future you can check my other handles as well. And yeah, that's about it. So disclaimer again, some of the links in before we continue, quick reminder that some of the links on the website, like on the description of this video, are so basically we may earn commission, so and no extra cost to you, but remember, our content is not financial, legal, or tax advice. Always do your own research. If you have any concern about the content, DM for a credit removal request. All right reserved to the respective owners. In the description there are a couple of affiliate links that I have provided to only the trusted platform that I personally use, the Ledger hardware wallet. You can check it out. You might get some discounts if you go through that link. Similarly, hardware wallets, like Ledger and Treasure, both I do also use. And so Binance is one of my favorite exchange. You can use that. Bybit, you can earn around $1,000 in reward in Bybit exchange. Gate.io, CoinDCX, and WazirX if you're from India. You can check it out in the description of the video. And that wraps up today's video, folks. What's your thoughts on these developments, all this news story? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto updates. Until next time, this is SN Upadhyay signing off. Stay crypto, stay awesome. Bye bye. See you.